instructions with Maximum Security. I'm Joanna, and this is Max.
Good day, civilians!
Today I will be showing you how to fit one of our extra strong sliding door chains. The pack contains a chain and holding plate, a receiving plate, and some screws. Place the chain holder to the inside of the door to a height that suits you and mark with a pencil. Now make your pilot holes. Take your holding plate and your chain, line them up on the holes that you've just made, and go ahead and screw them in. Slide your chain into the receiving plate. Line it up to the holding plate. Make sure circular cut is closest to the centre of the door, and go ahead and make your pilot holes using a pencil. Now go ahead and mark your pilot holes. So then go ahead and screw the screws in. And to check that your door chain is working, slide it through and open the door. We recommend only using the door chain when entering the door, in case you require an emergency exit from your building. Thank you for watching.